Imagine getting out of bed early in the morning and reaching for your phone and seeing a new notification that says you've earned $100 with a direct transfer into your bank account, and then receiving another notification that says you've earned $240 in a direct payment into your PayPal account. This has become very common for me and many other individuals who know the secret to receiving notifications like this on a daily basis. Well, if not hourly, but you may be one of us today. This short video will change your views about how to make money online. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to earn thousands of dollars using a brand new strategy. You don't need any skill and you don't need any experience to do this. The best part about this method is this is 100% free while you don't have to pay any money to do this. And this is available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. You can use today's method and start making money online. Before we started, this is Make Money Mindset, teaching you another easy and free to use Make Money online method. If you want to learn more strategies how to earn money online fast, subscribe and check out some of my other tutorials. So please pay very close attention to the end of the video. The first website we'll be going over today is called Pexels. Since we want to be colorizing images, we need photos to add colors to. Pexels is the website where we want to get free photos from here. You can see it says Pexels is the best free stock photos, royalty-free images and videos shared by creators. Now what we want to do here is hover over the search bar and type black and white. Then press enter. Once you've done so, it will show you a ton of photos in black and white. All of these are color lists. This is actually where we can make a ton of money from. We will be using colorless images. From here, you can download black and white images and save it on your device for the next step. I will be introducing to you the first tool that will help us do our work easier. I want you to go to this website called Colorize. Here on this website, you can colorize black and white photos for free without doing any of the work. It's all done for you with just a single click of a button. The best part about this website is that you don't need an account to use it. If you're wondering how to use it, just simply scroll down and look for this text, which says click or drop files. Once you've clicked on that text, just like any black and white photo you saved from Pexels. Once that's done, just wait patiently while the website analyzes and colorizes the image for you. You can download and save these images to use later. I will also show you another opportunity to earn money using a different tool. This time, instead of colorizing images, you can remove image backgrounds using this website called removebg. It is automatic and is completely free to use. As an example, you can go ahead and use the same image you downloaded from Pexels. As you can see here, the background of the image is instantly removed and you're left with a page file of the image you originally uploaded. It's totally simple and does not require any of your work. Now that I've introduced to you the two important tools we will be using for this method, let's move on to the websites that will actually pay us money. The first website I want to talk about is called Fiverr. I know some of you are already familiar with this website. For those who are not, Fiverr, the world's largest marketplace for digital services, and Fiverr freelancers get to offer their services worldwide, where millions of people can reach and avail said offers. In our case, we will be using this platform to offer our services. What's great about Fiverr is that once you become a freelancer for this website, you can gain a ton of benefits. If you're wondering how you can offer your services in Fiverr, I can break it down in 3 easy steps. First one is to think of a gig once you've created your account. You can set up your gig and offer your work to our global audience. In our case, we will be using the tools we've talked about a while ago. Don't worry, because I will show you exactly how to do it later. For the second step, once you get a notification about getting an order from customers, you can deliver your work right away. Lastly, and perhaps the most favorite step, is getting paid here on Fiverr. You can get paid on time every time the payment is transferred to you immediately upon order completion. In just 3 simple steps, you can earn a ton of money on this platform. But real quick, I'm curious as to where my viewers come from. So please tell me your country in the comments section so that I can make videos that everyone can benefit from. Now back to the video, what I want you to do is to click on the search bar right here and type colorized image. It will show you various results of services that offer colorizing images. As you can see here, they add color to black and white photos. They sell for about $10, $5, or even up to $50. This is what we will be doing here on Fiverr. The Joint Fiverr. Just click on the Join button above. Once you've done so, a pop-up sign-in page will appear. You can instantly register using your Facebook, Google, or Apple accounts with a single click. But you also have the option to manually sign up by typing in your email address. The next website where you can earn money from is called People Per Hour, similar to Fiverr. This website also offers services created by freelancers. Before you become a freelancer here on People Per Hour, you must complete an online application to join the exclusive People for our freelancer community. Every application is reviewed and approved by their moderation team, ensuring only the best freelancers are matched to clients' projects. Once approved, you'll gain access to a stream of projects from People for Hours. International client community. Now you're ready to provide your services to thousands of businesses. Now that you're acquainted with how this website works, I want you to type background removal on the website search engine. It will take it to a page with different results that show us background removal services. As you can see here, the price starts at $10 for every photo. There's also one where it sells for $15 or even up to $20. You can simply offer your background removal services here on People Per Hour after you sign up. I will be showing you how to do just that on the upper right corner of the screen. Click the Sign Up, but by doing so, it will take you to the registration page here. Just simply click on the button that says, I want to work as a freelancer, and then choose how you want to sign up. You can link your account with your Facebook to instantly sign up, or you can alternatively type in your basic information by clicking the second button here. Just simply fill in your first and last name, your email address, and don't forget your password. Now that I've shown you 2 free tools that can help you instantly earn money on Fiverr and People Per Hour, make sure to utilize these 2 tools to maximize your potential income. That's exactly how you make money from this website. I really hope you did get some value out of this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel Make Money Mindset and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.